Shabbat Smart Water Pressure Boost Controller. We will look at the installation wiring diagram. So we have 9-volt power supply for the board. Then we have at the top over here a Shabbat weekday switch. Here a closed contact is in Shabbat mode, open contact is weekday mode. Here we have at the bottom 2 relays. The right relay is to operate the controller of the pump. The left relay is to operate the pump directly. The wiring is live into the common of both relays. And then we have switched live from normally open to live on the pump board. Then we have switched live from the normally open on the left relay going directly to the motor on M, and also a bridge into the left connector on the right hand side. Then on the left, the same left connector on the left hand side, we have a neutral coming in, and the same neutral, permanent neutral, also goes to power the pump system. Settings, as we can see over here, tip switch SW1 is for commissioning mode, so the cycle will happen every 10 seconds in order to test it. And when the pump starts, it follows RV1, which RV1 are normally on Shabbat is the operation intervals, whether it starts recharging the accumulator, anything between every 5 to 15 minutes as we set on a rotary switch. Rotary switch RV2 sets once the pump is forced to operate on Shabbat on every cycle for how long it will operate. That's between 2 and 5 seconds before the controller will check the sensor position. Thank you for watching.